Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use that AI marketing agent in Klaviyo. Ladies and gentlemen, right here from your homepage, you will see that there is a marketing agent button. Go ahead, click on this. Basically, what will happen now is it's learning about your website. Okay, so if you've connected your website, it's wanting to take all of that information from your website and it's going to start creating marketing campaigns for you, right? So over here, before you go any further, I'm creating these custom recommendations for your website settings and brand library. Are you ready for me to create your recommendations? Now, what you can do is you can check your about business. You can also go and add your logo, your brand colors, font style, your voice and tone, and your marketing language. Once you have done all of this, all right, let's just change that slightly. Yeah, that's the one. Once you've done all this, you're going to go ahead and say yes, create. Now, this is the magical part about it. So basically what it's doing is it's going to take all of the information from your website and it's going to create an entire marketing campaign for you. It's going to set it up for you. It's going to make it look professional. And on top of all of that, it's going to be in line with your specific brand, your colors, your voice, your purpose, all of that included. So this took a few minutes, and basically what it's done is it's created some recommendations, okay? And this is all based on my specific websites. Over here, you can see it says educational content campaign, some more educational, welcome series flow, educational content campaign again. So what you want to essentially do, put your cursor over it, it'll open it up. You'll see what the subject and the preview is, what it can look like, and then you click on view details. Now, this is amazing. This is the part where you actually get to see what it physically looks like. Can you see that this has all been made for me by the marketing agent? You can also edit it, and if you want to launch it, you can literally set the date and literally launch this campaign. It's absolutely fantastic. You can actually do it with all of these. It'll then show up with the rest of your campaigns. You can even see, like this one over here, the welcome series. Go ahead, click on that, open it up. You can see this is our welcome series. You can see there's a trigger, there's an action, there's a delay, and then there's another action. And there it is all day. All you need to do is literally click on launch, and that's the Klaviyo marketing agent for you.